The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Remy, the shepherd, loved his cattle. He used to take them for their daily walks up the mountain. One such clumsy morning, he thought of playing a prank on the villagers nearby. He shouted wolf and cried for help. His voice echoed across the hills. Suddenly, a few locals from the village nearby turned up. Remy burst out into laughter. The villagers, angry at his prank and mischief, walked away. But danger awaited him next day. It was a sunny morning, and Remy had come up the hill as usual. After an hour, suddenly there was a panic among the sheep. A wolf had indeed turned up the day to Remy's dismay. Remy, terrified, started shouting for help, but none responded this time. Remy ran for his life, having learned his lesson. Lying can invite even more trouble.